Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today it's a weird day because we're unboxing a Vietnamese-made GORUCK Rucker 25-liter. GORUCK recently announced that they're moving some of their production out of the United States. The 25-liter Rucker was the first pack to show up on the website that was produced internationally, so I grabbed one. And we're going to be opening this up, seeing if there's any differences, and seeing what the inside tag looks like. Got the return slip. We've got the insert, which comes with all the stuff. We've got a sticker. Just looking this thing over, the bag it's in says GORUCK on it, which is new. The USA ones didn't have that. It says it's a 25-liter Rucker in black with a bottom handle. That's what I ordered, so glad that's what showed up. And here we go. The 25-liter Rucker. One thing to note, the bottom of the bag does have 2 grommets in it, so water will drain out of it. The 25-liter Rucker that I ordered maybe a couple months ago doesn't have the grommets in it, so I think that's new as of moving these to Vietnam. There is still webbing on the front. Still the slant zipper pocket, which runs to the bottom of the pack. Get a nice patch with it. My 25-liter Rucker that was from the US had a patch as well. It's been pretty cool. Like GORUCK started sending those out, at least some of them, with patches. Handle on the bottom. Handle on the side. Handle on the other side. Moving to the back, we've got the padded shoulder straps, lots of padding. We've got these little pieces of cardboard holding the extra webbing in place. So that's not really noteworthy, but it's new. So there aren't straps flapping all over when you pull it out. Everything I've seen so far, the sewing all looks great. I mean, there's nothing that tells me that this is a pack that's not made in the US. Everything looks just like my other Rucker. Obviously, I've just opened this, but I'll be doing some comparison pictures as well, so maybe there'll be some differences, but everything I'm seeing is just really good quality, which is what you'd expect and hope for. Opening the pack up. We've got the ruck plate pocket. We also have, at the very bottom of here, I'll try and flip this thing inside out real quick. There we go. We got it flipped inside out. There is this little tag on the bottom. That says GORUCK. And on the flip side, it says built in Vietnam 25-liter. So I'm glad, definitely glad there's some indication on here of where it's built. I know there's no tags until this one that said it was a 25-liter, the 20, or the 15. So I'm glad that they started adding those. It'll make things a little bit less confusing on the resale market. And then flipping this over, the new inside tag says GORUCK Rucker Lifetime Guarantee. With the USA-made Rucker 25-liter, it says GORUCK Rucker built in the USA. Obviously, this one is not built in the USA, so you can't really have that on there. It feels weird having a GORUCK bag that's not built in the USA. If you missed that announcement, you can check out this other video I shot where it talks about that. But the quality on it seems, I mean, pretty much identical to the 25-liter Rucker I've got. The 25-liter Rucker I bought from the USA ran me $265. This one was $195, so you're saving by buying internationally made in Vietnam. I've seen 25-liter Ruckers showing up and disappearing from the GORUCK website, so I hope that they'll still be selling ones that are made in the USA. They did mention that they would be, because it'd be nice to have options. For people who want to save some money, they can buy this one for $195. For people who want to support USA manufacturing, they can buy the USA made one for $265. Either way, it's a big announcement for GORUCK, and I'm glad to have one of these packs to do some comparisons with. As I mentioned, major differences. There's 2 grommets sewn into the bottom. There's this tag on the bottom of the pack that says it's made in Vietnam. Also says the size, which is very handy. And then that internal tag says GORUCK Rucker Lifetime Guarantee instead of GORUCK Rucker Built in the USA. If you've got any questions about this pack, the Vietnamese-made GORUCK 25-liter Rucker, leave a comment, let me know. If you've got any questions about how it compares to the other Rucker 25-liter I have, leave a comment. I'm more than happy to answer it. I'll be doing some comparison pictures and stuff coming up, and I'll probably put together another video once I've had more time kind of looking through this. Because as I mentioned, everything I've seen on it looks amazing, but then again, I've only been looking at it for about 10 minutes. I want to make sure that I can spend enough time with it before I make a full comparison video. Thank you so much for all the support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Huge shout out to everyone who supports on Patreon. Truly, truly appreciate that. And then if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. Lots of rucking content, gear reviews, all that good stuff, and a lot more on the way. Thank you so much again, and don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive, and drink hard, ruck harder.